Hey guys, it's Moneymaker001. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily create Redbubble designs, which is going to be really interesting. You don't need any skills for this, but it's going to be really simple and almost everybody of you can do it very easily in 1 to 10 minutes. Okay, so now let's get started into the video.
A few moments later.
And I am going to utilize the website which is known as pixabay.com. Now this is a website where you can get copyright free images as well as copyright free vector images which you can use. Okay, so what I am going to do is I am going to create a sticker pack using these images which I found on this website which is known as pixabay.com. Okay, so now let's start, and we will be creating these images with a free software which is known as Photopea. Now Photopea is just go to this website photopea.com and you can just create any of the designs with this. Okay, so we will be just utilizing this and it is going to be really simple. Okay, so don't just sit ideally and watch this, but just learn and you can make sticker packs just like this, like one I am making now. Okay, so I just copied this image and I will go to the next tab and just I will place this image on over here. In this way I will be placing multiple images in this, and in this way I will be making a sticker pack for Redbubble. Now this is something which is really simple. Most of the people of you will be able to do this stuff. Okay, so just you can do this. Okay, and the thing is that you can use this Pixabay images according. Okay, so you are having the permission, so it is okay to use this images and you will never get any copyright problem with this images. Okay, so don't worry about that, and just create some sticker packs for your Redbubble store, which I am currently doing just like this. The thing you need to remember is that you need to have some space between the stickers so that those stickers can be placed individually. Okay, so this is something which is really important, and if you don't have enough space between your sticker packs, then there will be a problem. The stickers might be joined with each other, and people usually don't buy that type of sticker packs. So that is something which you need to consider while you are creating this type of sticker packs. Okay, so I am just creating this butterfly sticker pack as an example, but you can do this in many different niches. Now this is butterfly, you can do this in beach niche, you can do it in ocean niche, and as well as there are many of the niches which you can try out, and you can create this type of very simple designs for all those different niches. Okay, so you can just make a sticker pack, and this is really interesting, as well as it is also a very time saving process. It doesn't take too much time to create this very simple sticker packs, as well as there is a great chance that you can get good sales of the stickers. Okay, so you can see I am placing these stickers, but the thing you need to remember is that one sticker must be far away from the another sticker. Okay, so that is something which is really important and which you should consider. Okay, so in this way you can make a lot of sticker packs for your Redbubble. Don't just copy what I am doing over here. Just come up with the new ideas and new niches in which you are getting some of the likes on Redbubble or hearts on Redbubble, and then just use that data for your store. Okay, it's not going to be that everything I show over here is going to work, but the thing is that if you just apply your own brain and do something, then you can get even better results as compared to what results I am getting on Redbubble. Okay, so that is going to be really interesting. If you are gonna use some of these ideas, just use it for inspiration and just don't copy this. Okay, so in this way, now what you can do is that you can just play with this images. You can just add a little bit of shadow as well as all other stuff to this images, and you can see this images can be enhanced. Okay, you can also color grade them. So these are some of the things which you can do with all these designs absolutely for free with the software which is known as Photopea. And in this way you can create very good sticker packs for your Redbubble store, and you can just upload them to your Redbubble absolutely for free, and you don't have to worry about a paid software. But still I highly recommend that you should go for Canva, which is just almost $10 to $20 a month, and which is really cheap, and you will be able to create a lot of designs with that. Okay, so I highly suggest that you go and purchase Canva Pro. But if you can't afford that, then you can definitely use this method and create sticker packs for your Redbubble store. So once the sticker pack is ready, all you need to do is just download the image from this website. Just go to this file option, and then you can now just download this, okay, image on your computer. So this is really simple, and almost everybody of you can do this. Okay, so I hope you have got some value out of this video and out of this tutorial.
One eternity later.
Now this is a very simple strategy which I have been following for a very long period of time, as well as uploading this type of designs on my Redbubble store, which has given me some of the results. You can also do this stuff, use this strategy, copy this strategy, and just do it, take action, and this is going to be really good because you can earn a lot more on Redbubble just creating this very simple things. Okay, so just take action. We'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay happy, stay subscribed, and thanks for watching.